Okay, so I want to go back to this right here. All I do is change the numbers. Again, if you don't know something right here, I always go back to the T chart here. So I have my input, I have my output. These are my t-shirts that are going in, and this is my cost. So for 0 t-shirt, my initial setup cost is $50. For 1 t-shirt, I have an incremental cost of each 2.75. So I get 52.75. And then here I have 50.52.75 plus 2.75 gives me 55.50. So for 2 of them, I get 55.50. And then from here, hopefully you recognize that you're having a linear situation. So you get y equals mx plus b. Okay, and if I were to set this up, I'm going to have c of x equals my incremental change is 2.75. X is the number of t-shirts plus my initial setup cost. My initial value is 50. Now it says they want to have the average cost here. So if I have 1 shirt, I'm going to divide it by 1. If I have 2 shirts, I'm going to divide it by 2. If I have 3 shirts, I'm going to divide it by 3. So I'm going to have an equation when I'm trying to find the average here of this x over this x. Okay? And they want to know what the cheapest average cost per t-shirt will be. Well, that's going to be, you're going to have a condition that looks like this, and just a general idea, but we don't care about negatives over here because this is the negative side. We only care about how much it costs over here. So I want to know when it's approaching this line. What is this line it's approaching? Well, I need to look at my horizontal asymptote. Okay, so I'm going to take my y equals a b of x over, or y a n. That's a n b of m. So I'm looking at my condition here. So I'm going to have 2.75 x to the first, 1x to the first. And on my conditions for my horizontal asymptote, I have n equal to 1, m equal to 1, so n equals m. So I have my condition of y equals a over b, which is simply my 2.75 over 1. So the cheapest cost here is going to be 2.75. That's this line right here. So that is going to be my cheapest cost, is 2.75.